Hi friends, Tina Did It here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this Christmas window. I'm slowly trying to get my cocoa bar together, and above my cocoa bar I have this Christmas window. This DIY was definitely easy to make, and I made this using all Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. To make this window, I'm going to use these large mirrors from Dollar Tree. I believe they're around 11 inches long, but you can definitely use any frame you'd like over there. You could even do just frames and decorate the window with decals, but I went ahead and used the mirror that I have instead. So I did pick these up from Dollar Tree, and now I'm going to E6000 them together. I'm going to E6000 only each two together, but you can definitely have your window closed like I did and E6000 all four. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe so you're notified when I upload awesome Christmas ideas like this one. So here you see me just applying E6000, and I'm going to attach it to the other mirror and just let it completely dry, because E6000 does take around 24 hours to completely seal. So be sure to leave this overnight, and that's what I did. I just put them together, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other two there and leave them overnight to completely dry. Once they're dry, it's time to decorate. So here I'm just bringing in picks, some berries, some flowers. You can even put ornaments if you'd like, and I'm gluing them down using hot glue. And later on, I found some handles that I had on hand. I think I got them from Amazon. It's the handles that I just brought in right now, and I'm going to use E6000 to glue those in place. It's as if it's the handle for the window. But remember, you can use this idea and just use regular frames and go ahead and decorate your window, but I went with mirrors instead. And that's it. I told you this project was going to be easy. But here I just used Gorilla Glue, and I glued on that dowel stick up on top, and I did let that dry overnight as well. And then I just used command hooks to hang them the window up on the wall. And I just have this right above the cocoa bar, and there's the paper snowflake that I uploaded using sandwich bags. So if you'd like to make that snowflake that you see in the mirror, then be sure to check out that video. But let me know what you think down in the comments, what you think of the Christmas window that I've made. I will add a few more things up there with the garland. I might add ornaments or stars, but I just went ahead and made it simple and just added snowflakes on the side for now. But let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to stop by and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!